Hello, you guys. Welcome back this morning. This is Diamond Rose. Come with a few more jobs this morning. Hopefully, you guys are doing great. Good morning, Diamond Squad. How are you guys doing? Now, this first job will be U.S. Bank, and the job role for this job will be a case processor one. It is a remote position. It's $18 an hour to $21.83 per hour. It's a full-time job. They even have the company website link down below, and I will place it in the description box down below later. And retired plan, this is our benefits for retired plan and tuition reimbursement. At U.S. Bank, we're passionate about helping customers and the communities where we live and work. The fifth largest bank in the United States, we're one of the country's most respected, innovative, and successful financial institutions. U.S. Bank is an equal opportunity employer committed to creating a diverse workforce. We consider all qualified applicants without regards to race, religion, color, sex, national origin, age, sexual orientation, gender identity, and disability or veteran status, among other factors. This is an entry-level position responsible for researching and performing a reasonable investigation on customer accounts related to billing errors or fraud claims. Primary responsibilities include managing dispute fraud caseload by researching, investigating, documenting, and resolving claims. This position utilizes MasterCard/Visa regulations to resolve customer claim. Customer claims are governed by Regulation E and or Regulation Z regarding or requiring provisional credits, fees, interest, and cardholder communications be completed within regard timeframes. This position is multifaceted and requires a high level of accuracy and attention to detail. Communication with customers via telephone and written correspondence is required. The basic qualification for this job position at U.S. Bank as the job role of case processor is you have to have a high school diploma or equivalent and at least 1 year of customer service experience. You will have to have those two things: high school diploma or equivalent and at least 1 year of customer service experience. The preferred skills and experience that they will want you to have for this job is experience working in the financial services or banking industry, experience working in an office clerical environment, call center experience, demonstrated knowledge of applicable bank, federal regulations, MasterCard, Visa regulations, and internal procedures. Proven commitment to high quality customer service, good time management skills to maximize the number of clients that can be assisted while maintaining a high level of customer service. Strong verbal and written communication skills, ability to identify and resolve escalate complex problems with minimal guidance. Strong problem solving and decision making skills. Proficient computer skills, especially Microsoft Office applications. If there's anything we can do to accommodate a disability during any portion of the application or hiring process, please refer to our disability accommodations for applicants. The benefits of this job is to take care of yourself and your family with U.S. Bank employee benefits. We know that healthy employees are happy employees, and we believe that work-life balance should be easy to achieve. That's why we share the cost of benefits and offer a variety of programs, resources, and support you need to bring your full self to work and stay present and committed to the people who matter the most, your family. Learn all about U.S. Bank employee benefits, including tuition reimbursement, retirement plans, and more by visiting careers.usbank.com. It's an equal employment opportunity. Applicants can learn more about the company statuses as an equal opportunity employer by viewing the federal EEO is the law poster on this website right here. I'll post it down below. The E-Verify U.S. Bank participates in the U.S. Department of Homeland Security E-Verify program in all facilities located in the United States and certain U.S. territories. The E-Verify program is an internet-based employment eligibility verification system operated by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Learn more about the E-Verify program. Salary range reflected is an estimate on a base pay and is the primary location. Based on base pay range may vary if an offer is made for work in a different location. Pay range $18 an hour through $21 an hour, $21.83 an hour to $24.01 per hour. Due to legal requirements, U.S. Bank requires that the successful candidate hired for some positions be fully vaccinated for COVID-19. Absent being granted an accommodation due to medical condition, pregnancy, or sincerely held religious belief or other legal required exemption for these positions, or as part of the conditional offer of employment, the successful candidate will be asked to provide proof of vaccination or approval for an accommodation or exemption upon hire. U.S. Bank will consider qualified applicants with criminal history in a manner consistent with the San Francisco Fair Chance Ordinance. And this job today is with the U.S. Bank, you guys. And the job role will be as a case processor 1. And the starting pay is $18 an hour to $21 an hour and 83 cents per hour. $18 an hour to $21.83 per hour. And it's a full-time remote position. Get into it, you guys. Let's go on with the second job. I'll be brief with this job. Now, this is a company called Cigna. I've talked about Cigna before in my previous videos. Not the one that I just uploaded, but about a couple of ones back. And this job has a job role. This company has a job role as CCRD, Customer Service Representative. It's a work from home position. And it's based out in Bloomfield, Connecticut. And the start pay is $17 an hour to $22 an hour. It's a full-time remote position. The benefits for this job is 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, smoke session program, tuition reimbursement, vision insurance, work from home. The full job description is CCRD, Customer Service Representative, Band 1 job description, and is CSR position, which stands for Customer Service Representative. Do you enjoy helping healthcare professionals? Do you thrive in a fast-paced, customer-focused environment? Start your rewarding career as a part of our growing coverage review department. Cigna is one of the largest and fastest growing health insurers in the world. At Cigna, we invest in you. As a customer service representative, you are offered extensive pay, hands-on training, and supportive post-training environment to pave your way to success. Cigna encourages career development and offers continuing education resources internally and externally to help you in your career advancement. Now, the role for this position is in this pivotal role, CSRs, which stands for Customer Service Representatives, respond primarily to phone, also fax and online inquiries from health care providers and professionals, to assist them through the medication prior authorization process. The successful candidate will be able to interact appropriately and efficiently with health care providers using excellent interpersonal and listening skills, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. The ability to use computer-based resources in a highly effective manner is a must. Confidently able to educate and provide accurate responses to inquiries is crucial for success. And they have the primary responsibilities for this job. I'll read it for you. And it says collection of structured clinical data for prior authorization and non-formulary exception requests following the guidance provided in our online prior authorization tools and correspondence forms. Initial screening of requests based on guidance given by online prior authorization tools, and refers prior authorization requests that do not meet the approval specifications to a pharmacist for clinical review. And the qualifications must have competent computer skills, be familiar with Microsoft Office, and have a working knowledge of Windows operating systems. Candidate must have a quiet and private space designated for work. Must be able to work any schedule between 8 a.m. through 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Generally has 1 to 5 years of customer call center services. Must have 1 to 5 years of call center customer service experience. High school diploma or GED required. Qualified applicants will be considered for employment without regard to race, color, religion, national origin, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, and disability, veteran status. Position not applicable in Louisiana, Nebraska, and Rhode Island. For this position, we anticipate offering an hourly rate of $17 to $22 an hour, depending on related factors, including experience and geographic location. This role is also anticipated to be eligible to participate in an annual bonus plan. And they tell you about Cigna and so forth, and they just posted this job today. So you guys jump on it. You guys got this. Come on, let's keep the ball rolling. You guys, you got this. Apply, apply, apply. You guys got this. Keep on shining and sparkling. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You can do this. You got this. Guys, smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And smash that notification bell to let you guys know when I'm on with these updates of these wonderful jobs, you guys. Let's get it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Keep going.